In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications in Lazada. If you're getting more promotional messages than you'd like, this quick walkthrough will help you take control. We'll focus on disabling marketing emails and marketing SMS directly from your Lazada account settings. This won't affect important updates like order confirmations, delivery alerts, or password resets. Those transactional messages still come through so you don't miss anything essential. First, open Lazada and log into your account. You can do this on the website or in the mobile app. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you've used multiple email addresses in the past. A quick check here saves you from wondering why messages are still arriving later. Next, click or tap your account or profile icon. On the website, it's typically at the top right corner. In the app, look for the Profile tab at the bottom of the screen. This takes you to your personal dashboard where you can access all your settings. From there, go to Manage My Account. This area holds your key preferences, things like addresses, security, and communication options. If you don't see it immediately, scroll a bit or look for a settings or gear icon within your profile page. The wording can vary slightly depending on app version or region, but Manage My Account is the hub you want. Now, open My Profile. Inside My Profile, you'll find options related to your personal details and how Lazada contacts you. Look for the communication preferences. Locate the options labeled Receive Marketing Emails and Marketing SMS. Uncheck both of these. This tells Lazada you no longer want promotional emails or text messages about deals, campaigns, and special offers. If there's a Save, Update, or Confirm button visible on the page, make sure to click or tap it so your changes are applied. Some versions save automatically, but it's always smart to confirm. After updating, give it a little time. It's normal for changes to take effect within a few days, and you might still receive any messages that were already queued. Also keep in mind that while marketing communications stop, you'll still receive important service messages to keep you updated on your orders and account activity. If you ever change your mind, just return to the same My Profile section and re-enable the boxes for marketing emails and marketing SMS. And that's it. Simple, quick, and effective. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to enjoy a quieter inbox and fewer text interruptions.